Hey guys, our amazing team worked hard and there it is. New ZugZug Stylized 3D art challenge is here. Made by artists for artists. Challenge theme: Gothic, fantasy, vampires, werewolves, monster hunters, gothic gloomy buildings, crypts, and other dark things are very welcome. Challenge starts on September 10th. You will have 40 days to make your amazing artwork till the end of October. We have already 300 people joined the challenge, and now we're waiting for you. And we have challenge special guests: Activision Blizzard lead 3D artist on World of Warcraft, Jordan Powers; Airship Syndicate lead character artist, Brian Jones; Riot Games principal artist, Philip Zhang. Challenge special guest will be a part of judge panel. They're going to review your artworks, drop some feedbacks, and appear on the challenge final review video. Challenge is sponsored by 3D Code and XP Pen. That means you'll have a chance to win 3D Code software and some amazing XP Pen tablets, including the 22-inch display tablet. XP Pen Deco Pro Gen 2 tablet goes on giveaway during the challenge. Everyone will have a chance to win it, but now let's do a small review of this tablet. Challenge rules. To join the challenge, join ZugZug Studio Discord, find challenge registry room, and post Gothic or something dark. Artwork style: any stylized PBR or hand-painted works. You can do whatever you want: characters, props, or environments. Technical requirements: model should be production ready for video games. No super restrictions here, but make it smart. No 100% copy of existing artworks allowed. Bring your own ideas and designs. Rework and reskin of existing characters is allowed. Yes, you can make Jinx vampire or Witcher, steampunk, robot, whatever you like. Post your work in progress screenshot every week at Challenge Progress Room. Final submission: Artstation link with your artwork presentation that includes 3D viewer like Marmoset or Sketchfab. Posted at Discord room. Challenge never ends. And don't forget to add a tag ZugZug Challenge. And of course a ZugZug Challenge logo that you can find on our Discord. Thanks for watching and see you on the challenge.